How to copy your profile link on Instagram Feeds, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open Instagram Feeds and then once you're here just click this icon to go to your account and then click this one, share profile. Now just click copy and as you see this link is copied and that's it. Now just you can paste it wherever you want, and you can also copy other accounts, other profiles links. Let's go to this profile for example, and then you can see copy link, and just click these 3 points and click copy link. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.